Drop it.
Hey guys, Jamie here and welcome back to my another video. And today video I want to show you how to duplicate item, and this is called the duplication glitch. There are many ways to duplicate. I think I have 3 ways that you can duplicate. 2 is the old one and 1 is the new version. And I will show you the old one first, because if you not know, it's easier. Yeah, but it not work in server because the server Minecraft update and not work for servers, unfortunately. And yes, let's head on to the glitch and let's see where my chest. Okay, here my chest. Oh, there are 2 chests. So let's see. I want to do these 2 cooked pork chop, and now I have this cooked pork chop in the chest, and now I gonna take it back. Oh, sorry, let's do it again. Gonna take it and count to 12. 2, 3, 4, 5. You can walk also. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you close Minecraft and delete it in the hard bar. Open back. But if you have like 2 stack up, you need to count to 14. Yeah, that's work for me. Okay, now I think let's do it again. I think it's long sometime. So now wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Close Minecraft, delete in the hard this task, and go to Minecraft back, and you will see. Okay, there I have 2 cooked pork chop, and there you go. I have 2 more in the chest, and that is the 1 way. The second way is you need to have 2 devices, and you need to open chest at the same time and click the item at the same time. Yeah, that's how the second one is. That duplication glitch is easier than the count to 12 thing. And the last one, which is called which released in 2014, and it is very cool. So now let's take these 2 pork chop back on, and you need to have 5 space in your hardware. You can make that on iPad pet side full and turn on split control. And if you're on Android, you can also turn split control on. And yeah, so now let's head on to the latest glitch. And what you're gonna do is get these 3 random item on your hardware, doesn't matter what it is. And now you click on the last one, the 5th one, and holding it, and there you see it have 1 more, 2, 3. You can do this only if you have that item 2 and more. You cannot do if it have 1. Yeah, you can only do when it have 2 or more. So you can keep doing it until it reaches 64, and you need to put it back the 64 and continue the 25. Yeah, continue the 25. That's what I got every time. Now let's do it up to 64. and with 25. 8. Okay. 13. 21. 34. 55. There you go. You can see 64 and 25. And you need to put back the 64 in the chest and use the 25 thing. And I'll put all these and take 25 back, and you got them. And you can continue duping. Yeah, I think it won't work. Sometimes it won't work. Yeah, sometimes it won't work. You need to put all those items back and restart world. And yeah guys, thanks for watching guys, and please like this video, and if we can get to 100 likes, and it's very cool, and I will post more video. Yeah, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you later. Goodbye.